All right, week 4 is done. Stick a fork in it. Let's take a look and see what Coach Clark has to say about week 5. All right, guys. Hey, each week is getting a little bit harder and harder, but we're able to pull this one through. So good job. All right, let me take off these shades so we can get down to business. All right, another great win. Our record now is 4-0. And here's the rankings. In 4th place, we have the Dow at 2% return on investment year to date. Number 3, we have the S&P with a 3% return on investment year to date. 2nd place, it's not us. It is the NASDAQ. They have a strong 6% return on investment year to date. And in 1st place, none other than the money makers. And we're at a strong 11% return on investment year to date. So great job. Our realized return on investment year to date is $12,299.94. Last week we realized actual profit of $344.33. All right. Thanks to Workhorse and SBE, which is SwitchBack Energy. This is what happened last week. All right, we started off with Workhorse. We had a $23 strike price with an expiration date of 29 January 2021. All right, on the 26th, Workhorse, the price of Workhorse spiked. It went up 10 points. So we had to pull Workhorse. All right, and we had to replace Workhorse with SBE, SwitchBack Energy. All right, but still, Workhorse was able to net us $287 profit. SwitchBack Energy came in. We replaced SwitchBack on the 27th of January. They came in, did what they had to do, squeaked it out. We set a strike price of $38, and they were trading at that particular time at $38.62. They closed out the week at $38.06. Boy, they squeezed that one out. All right, so SwitchBack Energy was able to give us $57.33. When you add up SwitchBack and Workhorse, that gives us our total actual profit for the week of $344.33. All right, so this week's, for last week, the game bag goes to Workhorse. Good job. Appreciate you. All right, so that goes to Workhorse. This week's lead player, we're going to stick with SBE, Switchback Energy. 3 reasons why. First of all, the EV market is still hot. Second of all, Workhorse is trading above their resistance. It's a good thing if you own a stock. We're not playing that game. Our game is to generate income. All right, so SBE is below their resistance and right now trading at their support. All right, so we're going with SBE for this week. All right, I need you guys to come on up here. Let's get the board ready for our game plan for week 5.
Come on now.
That's right. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe buttons, followed by that notification button. That'll help out the channel. Thanks. All right. Week 5 game plan. What we're going to do this week, we already know we're going to be working with SBE, Switchback Energy. we're going to do another cash secure put. Hey, cash secure puts has been working for us. It worked for the first 4 weeks. We're going to stick with it. So a cash secure put, SwitchBack Energy with an expiration date of 5 February 2021. We're looking at a strike price of 38 bucks. Remember, on Friday it closed at 38.06. We're going to go with 2 contracts. And I feel that we can get $1.40 per share. Remember, 1 contract represents 100 shares. We've got 2, so that's 200 shares. So 200 shares at 140, we should be able to net $280. That's what they're going to pay us to enter into this trade. All right, so our available funds that we have is $13,299.94. So we're going to need, the cost of this trade is going to cost us $7,600 in order to get into this trade. And as you know, that money is going to go into collateral. 1 or 2 things are going to happen once with this trade. All right, if it trades above $38, that collateral is going to be re-released back into our available funds. If it closes on the 5th of February below 38 bucks, we're going to buy 200 shares at 38 bucks. That's where that 7,600 bucks is coming in. All right. Now, our win and loss. If by chance SwitchBack Energy closes above 36 bucks, guys, that's a win. That's a win 100% of the time. If it closes below 36 bucks, that's going to be a loss for us. So what we have to do between now and Friday is mitigate anything, really just adjust to anything that happens during the week. We may have to close them out. We may have to pull another player. But the bottom line is that we want to get out before it closes at 36 bucks by Friday so that we can pull off another win. All right. You guys get it? Got it? Good. Let's bring it on in. On 3, make that money. 1, 2, 3. Make that money!
Let's take a look at the actual trade for week 5 of Making Money Mondays. All right, and also we're going to take a look at and see how we did for the month of January, the first 4 weeks in January. All right, if you guys remember, Coach Clark wanted to do a cash secure put 2 contract with SwitchBack Energy, SBE, with an expiration date of 5 February 2021 with a strike price of 38 bucks. We were able to actually secure that particular trade. However, what we did is we rolled SwitchBack from the 29th of January to the 5th of February. In order to do this, we had to buy back and close out that position from January 29th. It cost us $47.33. Once we entered into the cash secure put for SwitchBack, we received $364.66. So that gave us a total net of $318.33. We really won't be able to see that until the end of week 5, which is the 5th of February. Let's take a look at the breakdown for week number 4 real quick. All right, week number 4, we netted realized gain of $344.33. We got 57 bucks from SwitchBack Energy, and Workhorse netted us $287. Let's take a look and see how we did in January compared to the other indexes. This is January's production return on investment for Making Money Mondays, as well as the other indexes. As you can see, we had a very good January. We ended up 11.33%, 11% return on investment. S&P is at 3, NASDAQ is at, might as well round that up to 6, then the Dow is at 2%. So overall, very good January compared to the other indexes. Now this here is a breakdown of all the actual trades that we made in the month of January. And one thing I want to point out, I did make a mistake in week number 3. There is the mistake. It cost us 49 bucks. What happened was I was supposed to execute a cash secure put. However, I didn't change it to a put. I kept it as a call, and as a result, it went through. I had to go back in and close it out, and it actually cost us $49. The price moved that much that quick. All right, but regardless of that, we still had a very successful January. We netted $1,299.94. Could have been $1,300 if I hadn't made that mistake, but that's all right. Overall, January, very productive month. I believe February will be just as productive as January, regardless of what happens within the market. That is the beauty of selling options in order to generate 11% for January. That's pretty good. Great January. All right, I need you guys to listen up. Results happen over time, not overnight. Work hard, stay consistent, and be patient. And always remember, knowledge is not power, it's the application of knowledge is power. See you guys in the next video.